Hi friends, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Allie and I'm the crochet designer behind the Turtle Trunk. If you're not new here, then welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. I am in my new office, so if you've seen my past couple videos, then you know that I was in the middle of moving and this is my first video in my new office. It's a little bit boring and bland behind me right now. I do plan on doing a feature wall behind me here, but we just haven't got to it yet. But hopefully in the next video that I do of one of these, it will be a little bit more exciting behind me. Right now I just have my computer and this is my setup for when I do my video tutorials, which I'm in the middle of doing one right now, so I still have everything up and it's a bit messy, but hopefully I'll get a feature wall up behind me, so then these videos are a little bit more exciting to look at, I guess, instead of just this bare wall. But this is what we're working with right now though. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 7 crochet patterns for you to make this June. So these are all summery patterns. I've got wearables, home decor, and accessories. And as with all of these videos, these are all my crochet patterns that I've designed, and you can find all of the free patterns on my blog, theturtletrunk.com, or here you can find the video tutorials on my YouTube channel to make it super easy for you to find and make all of these items in today's video. I will put them all together in a blog post, and I will do a YouTube playlist as well, so then you can easily find and make them all. I'll put links to those in the description box down below. So if you're ready to get started, here are 7 crochet patterns for you to make in June. First on our list, we have the Sweet Tea Tank. This is a very easy crochet tank top, so if you've never crocheted a tank top before, this is a great first project. It uses only basic crochet stitches and easy construction. It's made up of 2 panels that are seamed together, and this pattern includes 9 sizes from extra small to 5XL. It's nice and light and airy and really great for summer. It uses a medium weight cotton yarn and a 9mm crochet hook, so it works up really quickly. Second on the list is the Summer Days cardigan, which I'm wearing right now, so I'll stand up to show you. So here is the Summer Days cardigan. So it is a sleeveless cardigan, so pretty much a vest, but it is made up of 3 rectangular panels. So we have 2 in the front, 1 in the back, and they are just seamed together at the top and the sides. So this is super easy. There is no shaping or anything. They are just made up of rectangles that are worked vertically, and then you can see the texture there. It's very open and lacy and light. This pattern also uses a light 3-weight yarn, so it is very lightweight to wear, so really perfect for summer. I love this for just throwing on top of whatever outfit you're wearing. You can put it on top tank top, bathing suit, whatever you want. This pattern also includes 12 sizes, so from toddler all the way up to adult 5X, so you can make it for yourself, make it for your kids. This pattern is really fun. You can really customize it too. You can make these panels wider if you want, and you can make them as long as you want to. So I know it's hard to see. Mine goes up to about mid-thigh, but you can make it floor length if you want, or you can make it cropped if you want. It's really easy to customize, and it just has a really beautiful texture. This uses all easy crochet stitches, easy construction, so it is definitely beginner friendly. So again, if you've never made a vest or a garment before, this would be a really great first project for that. So I know we're in June now, but next month is July, and we have the 4th of July or Independence Day. So if you are in the United States, you might be celebrating that. So our next pattern on our list, number 3, I have the American flag blanket. So I'm sharing this a month early, so if you wanted to make this for the 4th of July, you have time to make it, because this is not a quick project. Let me see if I can back up enough for you to see this ginormous blanket. Okay, this is about as much as I can get in frame, but this blanket is about 4 feet by 6 feet, so it is huge, but it has all the stars and stripes, and then all of the stripes are in a chevron design. This is my most popular pattern on Etsy. It's super popular for Independence Day, Veterans Day, and I know a lot of people make it for birthday gifts and Christmas gifts for any patriots they know in their life. So this pattern is really fun, but again, it is not a quick project, so if you do plan on making it, you need to give yourself plenty of time because it is so big. The most time-consuming part though is crocheting and sewing on all 50 stars though. This is a really fun, big, beautiful blanket that's super comfortable, and you can fit multiple people under it, so it's perfect for cuddling up. But here we have our American flag blanket. Now, some of you might know that I live in the States now, but I grew up in Canada. So after I designed and made the American flag blanket, I knew I had to make a Canadian flag blanket for all of my Canadian friends and family. So next on our list is the Canadian flag blanket. This one's a little bit easier to get on camera. It's not quite as big. It's still pretty big though, but let me get up and I'll show you it. So here we have the Canadian flag blanket. So this one only measures about 42 inches by 60 inches. So a bit smaller, but still nice and big. It features the maple leaf in the center, and then we have the red stripes on the sides. This is made up completely of double crochets, so it's actually quite easy to make. There's the color changes in it, but other than that, it's just double crochets, so it doesn't work up or doesn't take quite as long as the American flag blanket. But for all my Canadian friends and family, this one's for you. So we got Canada Day on July 1st. So again, if you're wanting to make this for Canada Day, best get started soon because it's not a super quick project, but here is the Canadian flag blanket. Number 5 on our list is some Amigurroomi. Now, I used to design quite a bit of Amigurroomi like 6 years ago. I haven't done anything recently though, but there was a pattern that I had before I had my blog that I only had available in my Etsy shop, and I keep meaning to every summer to add it to my blog for free. So I finally just did it. I just added this pattern to my blog for free. There's also now a video tutorial up for it on my YouTube channel. So number 5 on our list is these Amigurroomi ice creams. So this pattern includes a lot of different features. So you can make a little ice cream. Let me see if I can get that. A little ice cream on a cone, or you can make a little ice cream scoop all by itself. Then I've also added, you can add eyes and a mouth to make a face. You can add sprinkles. Show you. You can add little chocolate sauce, whipped cream, and cherries as well. You can really customize these to be however you like. You can use whatever colors to represent whatever flavors you want. This pattern is really quick and easy, but it's fun, perfect for kids' toys or even pet toys. My cat loves crochet toys, so I'm gonna make another one of these for him. I'm gonna put a bell in it though because I know he'll love it, but these are already all claimed by my daughter. She's gonna add these to her little kitchen set. But these are really fun, they're really cute, and they're actually really easy to make too. And again, there's so many different options for you to make them with, and yeah, they're just really adorable. Like, look at that little face and a little cone. I love these so much. But finally, after 6 years, this pattern is finally free on my blog, so please go enjoy it. And again, you can get the YouTube video here too. And yeah, these ones are just really fun and cute. Speaking of ice cream, number 6 on our list is the Allstar Ice Cream Pint Cozy, which I know this is not an ice cream pint, but I don't have an ice cream pint. And a 4-inch flower pot is the same size as an ice cream pint. So if you are not an ice cream lover, you can still make this pattern and put it on a 4-inch flower pot. But this little ice cream cozy, as you can see, it uses the star stitch, which is really beautiful. But these ice cream pint cozies are perfect for when you are eating a pint of ice cream. You know, your hand gets freezing cold. This protects your hand from getting too cold. We love these. Everyone in my family has one of these. It's a really fun, easy pattern. It works up quick, and it's perfect for gifts, or if you know anybody who loves eating ice cream, it's a perfect gift for that, or just to have in your own home. And again, you can fit it on a plant pot too. So even if you don't need ice cream, you can use it on your plant pots. It just has a really beautiful texture. This pattern, you can use cotton yarn or Bernat Maker home decor yarn, which I've used here, which is really nice and squishy and soft, but it has a really beautiful texture from the star stitch. This pattern works up super quick and easy, and it's just a really fun pattern too. And last on our list, we have the Allstar Can Cozy. So this matches the ice cream pint cozy, but it is just made for cans. I can get it. So it features the same star stitch, and then this comes in 2 sizes for a skinny can and then a regular 12-ounce can as well. So these are perfect for your cold summer drinks, and it keeps your hand from getting wet from the condensation of the can. This one I used Bernat Maker home decor yarn again, but you can use cotton yarn if you prefer as well. And it's just really comfortable and squishy in the hand, and it has that beautiful texture on it too. So this is perfect for your summer drinks. Again, make it for yourself or make it for gifts. This is a really fun, quick, and easy pattern. And again, you can make it for a skinny can or a regular can, perfect for your summer drinks. And that was our list. I feel like that was a really quick video, but I hope you enjoyed these ideas and it gave you some ideas of things that you can crochet this month. I would love to know if you plan on making any of these patterns. Have you made any of these patterns before, or what are you planning on making this month? I'd love to hear it in the comments down below. Again, you can find all of these free crochet patterns on my blog, theturtletrunk.com, or you can find the video tutorials here on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.